In this video, I will show you how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. Click on Start menu and then select the settings icon. Now once you're in your settings, in the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy and Security section, you will see this Windows Security. Click on it. Now in the Windows Security, you will find Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it. Next, you will land on screen like this. Here scroll down until you find Virus and Threat Protection settings, and below that you will see this option of Manage Settings. Click on it, and at the way top you will find Real-Time Protection. So toggle off the switch under Real-Time Protection, and this will disable Windows Defender's real-time scanning feature. You may receive a prompt asking for confirmation, so confirm your action to proceed. But remember, disabling Windows Defender may expose your computer to security risk. It is recommended to have another antivirus program installed if you choose to disable it.